Boom shakalaka, watch out for this Bitcoin price shakeout. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at this Bitcoin price shakeout. Definitely watch out. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. 7 years, holy cow. Today, Fear and Greed Index at 33, down from yesterday's 39. The overall market sideways today, Bitcoin at 58,767, Ethereum at 2305, and BNB at 539. Now, Bitcoin breaking this very steep trajectory that it had, falling back into this wedge, and right now barely maintaining support on the 21 EMA, this blue line right here. Price could fall down to the bottom, not only of the bull flag trend channel, but also of this wedge right here, right around $54,000. And that is the territory that we need to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on the small CME gap that hasn't been filled yet, from 53.6 to 54.5, that exact same territory. We may see a flash crash down to those levels before Bitcoin once again takes off on its steep trajectory. Now, as the price is going down, one could make an argument that Bitcoin is rhyming with the past. But the good news is this was the 2019 summer rally. That means that what we saw so far was just a small summer rally. The top there was 12,000, the bottom was 3,000, and then it went up to, what did it go up to? A lot, 70-some thousand. So could be going up a lot higher than that. And if we take a look here, we can see that trading Bitcoin right now is kind of risky business. Independent of bull market, bear market, or otherwise, about a third of the days are bullish, a third of the days are bearish, and a third of the days do absolutely nothing. Hodling Bitcoin seems to make sense. Trading Bitcoin, kind of a coin flip in terms of what's going to happen. If we take a look right now on the lower time frames, the TD sequential flashing a sell signal for Bitcoin, echoing what we were talking about earlier, while both the RSI and stochastic RSI show oversold conditions. A potential correction looms unless Bitcoin can sustain a candlestick close above 58.8. So again, keep an eye out for a flash crash before things resume the upward trajectory. That being said, Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit an all-time low in the last 5 years. In over 5 years, it has not been this low, which means that when things take off, it's going to be like lighting a powder keg. It's going to blast off pretty significantly because there's just not that much Bitcoin available. This could be the final shakeout before a massive expansion to wave 5. You can see echoing right here, flat followed by a zigzag shown right here. And we can see RSI is increasing. So we are gaining strength even while the price is coming down. The top not in yet. Sometimes you need to zoom out to see the big picture. Whenever a hash ribbon flashes a buy signal, like we see here, the expansion follows usually after a short-term shakeout. We could be seeing that short-term shakeout right now, all the way down to the roughly $54,000 levels before we resume once again. Now, it's going to be a big bull run for Bitcoin. Just a reminder, based on the halving, we are down at the very, very beginning of the parabolic trend. So there's a lot of room for growth to come. As a matter of fact, this chart coming up may blow your mind, but we have not yet broken through the triangle that dictates the pre-bull run and the mega bull run, where price goes near vertical. What separates it? Well, basically breaking the previous all-time high. We have not done that yet. Got rejected multiple times from the previous all-time high, but have not yet broken through. This will give Bitcoin a nice, healthy rise once it does break through that territory. If we take a look right now, Bitcoin and the RSI, we see this increasing, gaining strength, but has not yet lifted off from the trend line into serious bull run territory. And should it go up, the insane cycle top scenario. In previous cycles, Bitcoin's cycle top occurred 16 and 17 months after the halving, usually at the end of the year, which would put it at end of year 2025. Not only that, but the halving top, or excuse me, the top hit the trend line of Bitcoin previously. You can see each time here. This top towards the end of year 2025, well, if you scroll over, that's roughly about $500,000 per Bitcoin. Could get very exciting in the next year. Just don't get shaken out too early. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, subscribe to the channel, and also check out that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.